We got a bunch of rejuvenated wipes. Yo, I'm about to look out for the whole squad. Oh man, I feel it. Bro, what are y'all? What's the vibe right now, man? What's the vibe? Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones. And of course, I am back with another video for ya head top. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel where you see the energy, you see the vibes. I don't even know why I'm screaming like this, but let's keep it going. Today, okay, so today I'm unboxing a lot of packages that I got in. Some I didn't know was coming, some I didn't wait to unbox. I ain't gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? I had a lot going on. Some of this stuff I couldn't wait for, but most of it was all like Cyber Monday deals. And one of these was like, just like at the crib, you know what I'm saying? So one of these boxes, the box you see in the thumbnail, is absolutely huge, okay? So it's definitely one of the biggest boxes I think I've ever seen. And it's very, very heavy, which kind of surprises me because I usually know what's in this box or by this company. But it got me thinking like maybe I don't know as much as I do. Or maybe I don't know as much as I think I know. Huh? Anyways, man, I'm about to just break some of this stuff down. A lot of this stuff, like I said, I got on Cyber Monday. And I think pretty much all of the deals are over. But I will still try to include and link everything down below from the spots that I got all this stuff from. And without further ado, let's get into it. So as I did tell you guys, we do have a lot of packages, like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. It's a lot. So I will be going through like all of them, and we'll be telling you where I got this from. I'll try to remember the prices, and let me know what you think about what I picked up in the comment section. So this first package here from Fashion Nova, once again, I was very, what's the word? Impressed by what I got for Fashion Nova the first time. Now, I'm not really a big Fashion Nova guy. I've never shopped there before. Well, actually, I have. Like, okay, I don't want to lie here. So I shopped there for a video. I like what I got for that video, and I went back the same day. So before this one day, I never shopped at Fashion Nova before. I thought it was like mostly women's clothing, and I went over to the men's category and it had some stuff. If you guys want to check that out, and check out my Black Friday video, because a lot of that stuff was from there. This time I checked them out again. On Black Friday, it was like 50% off the entire website. So I went back and I got some stuff from them, and let's see what I got. So this first shirt we got here kind of reminds me of like a vintage shirt, kind of like the Mary J one I got last time. Very, very dope. I like the vibes, you know what I'm saying? It's all about a vibe. So let me take this out, man, and you get like this faded black, this charcoal gray, but it's the Biggie Smalls joint, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm from up top. No, I'm not from New York. I'm from Cleveland, but I definitely like this Biggie Smalls shirt. And like I said, it's already like this wash gray, something I can throw on easily with just about anything. I like the colors. Something I can throw up under something. So I picked this up, and I'm not sure how much this was. I think it said on the bag. It was like, okay, it don't say it on the bag. Next up, we got another shirt that kind of remind me of 10 Deep a little bit, because it had like the X's on front. I'm not sure if a lot of you guys wear 10 Deep or know of 10 Deep. It's like another brand that's pretty cool, but they have a lot of brands, or they have like a lot of clothing that looks like this or have like those X's here. But this just says Players Club. I just like the colorway. You know, the red, I like the yellow. Definitely something I can rock with a few fits, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a vibe I liked, so I picked this up. This was 50% off too. Basically, I just bought all this together, and then at the end, you know, you get the cut in half, the 50% off. And last but not least, we have this shirt at the end. Y'all know the first time I went to Fashion Nova and ASOS, it was mainly just hoodies, because I didn't really had a hoodie vibe going. Now it's about, you know, the shirts, getting something to go on top of it. And last but not least, we have this neon type green, this very Vogue green. I'm gonna call it a Vogue green shirt, and it just says human on it, right? I have shoes like this here, human race, that look nice with it. And of course, like I said, the shirt has human on it. It says human with the human on it. Like I said, I could throw like a jacket or a hoodie over the top with the black, so it's not really too loud or something like that, and throw on these. Obviously, whenever you're dealing with bright colors like this, you don't want to match too much. So I would definitely have to depress some of this shirt. I would not just wear like the shirt with this shoe, because it's just too much. And just like last time, man, I am very, very fond. I'm happy with what I got from Fashion Nova. So check them out if you haven't already tried. Next up here is a pair of jeans that I could not wait to unbox, unpackage, because I wanted to wear these joints, and I did. So this is another pair of jeans from Serengeti. As I told you guys, Serengeti is the jean company that's out there in Los Angeles, California, and they pretty much have a wide variety of jeans. The last few I picked up was the ones that had the side taper on the side. This one doesn't. This pair is actually called the seafoam colorway. Really like it. One thing I love about Serengeti's jeans is, as I said in the last video, the quality is A1. They also had a sale on Black Friday. Everything on the site was 33% off. But I bought these on Cyber Monday, which was just like 30% off. So I lost like an extra 3%. Another thing I like about them is all of their jeans are stretch fit. So it definitely gives you that fit that you like, that comfortable fit. You can still bend down and pick up your phone if you drop it. Ain't gonna be no SpongeBob, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna rip your pants. It's not that ultra tight look, but it's definitely like that nice fitted stacked denim at the bottom of the cuff, so, or at the bottom of the jeans, so it still sits up right on your sneakers. Definitely a great place to buy your jeans, guys. Head over there and check them out over at Serengeti. Hey, I'm giving y'all the vibes right now. As a matter of fact, if you ever use the bathroom with the door open ever in your life, smash that like button right about now. And look, I ain't gonna hold you. Me personally, the door's always open with me. I don't know what it is, man. I just can't feel like I'm locked in. I can't do it. Anyways, guys, we have another package coming in, and I know when y'all see this box, y'all already know what's up. So anybody that sends me a box this big, this large, relax. All right, man, let's see what we got. I really want to know like what type of colorway we got, because well, you know what? I don't know what it is. Because it can be a book bag, it can be a duffel bag, it can be, and I see what it is right off the bat. Woo! Another backpack. And one of my favorite colors is burnt Spalding orange. We don't need that. Man, look at this. Okay, so shout out Soul Premise. Y'all already know the vibes. If you don't know Soul Premise by now, you have literally been living under a rock. Soul Premise is the best sneaker bag company in the game, hands down. Everything from material, this whole bag is made out of the same tumble leather that your favorite pair of Air Jordan 1s is made out of. On top of that, it's price efficient. If you use my discount code Snipe Squad, you can get 30% off. This is not a Black Friday sale. This is not a Cyber Monday sale. Every time, anytime you want to purchase you a bag over there, if you use the discount code Snipe Squad, you can get 30% off. Shout out to them over there at Soul Premise, man. But this backpack here is fire. I already know like the fitting style. It has like this huge bottom to put like a lot of stuff in, like this huge bottom part. You got like the small little zippers right here to put your stuff in. They got 2 of those. Then they got your 3 compartments up top. Okay, so when you unzip the first one, you get a spot here. Okay, so you can fit sneakers here, appliances, all that. Y'all see it's dual-sided, so you can fit stuff on both sides. That's just one layer. Once you do this, you can open it up to another layer. Once you open it up to this other layer, this is where you will put like your laptop here, all your accessories for the laptop in here. But see, I'm not done. That's your problem. See, I ain't done. There's another level you can open up. Where's the zipper? Okay, I'm getting confused. Yeah, okay, got you. So the zippers are here. You open this up, and then there's another level, okay? Sneakers, okay? I think you can fit like 5 pairs of shoes in here, clothing. Every single time I go to SneakerCon or I go out of town, I'm wearing a Soul Premise bag, and everything I own is in this bag. Laptop, camera, 4 pairs of shoes, 3 outfits, and then guess what? The best part is it's TSA approved. This goes right above my head every single time. Soul Premise down below in the description, and I'm also gonna have my discount code next to it for you guys to go over there and purchase it. Let them know your boy Sniper Jones sent you, man. Like it's fire. Okay, of course I saved best for last, and I don't know what to expect. So if I make one of those ugly shock faces y'all always make fun of in my thumbnails, at least just know, you know what I'm saying, it's serious. Golly, I try to pick this up, I almost hurt my back. Okay, y'all, obviously y'all can't see the whole box, but this is huge and I don't even know what to expect because I'm used to getting stuff from this company, but I've never, y'all can hear me, I'm out of breath. I go to the gym every day. I've never, ever carried any box this heavy. It gotta be something extra in it. All right, we got it open. I'm gonna go ahead and reach inside and see what's the first thing I feel. I'm back. I gotta come back. It's a letter in here. No, I gotta read it. Excuse my Floyd Mayweather syndrome. Let's get to it. Hey there, in this box you will find many opportunities to give the gift of Rejuvenator. Of course, we have items with your name on it and you're more than welcome to keep what you love. However, encouraging you to give these items away to your loyal YouTube followers who have supported you all year long. I love y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out. I'm about to cry. Create a giveaway or give to those in need of a little Rejuvenator. Whatever you do, share the holiday cheer with as many as you can. Thanks for all your support, hard work. The year 2020 is going to be a great one. Enjoy, Reshoevn8r. This package is from Reshoevn8r. Okay, so first we have some Reshoevn8r Sole Shields. So these are what you use to keep your soles clean. So for all my guys with the foam posits, 11s, icy soles, anything with those icy soles, you watch people wear the sole shields to make sure that the soles stay fresh. Oh man, wow. Oh, this is a lot, okay? So we got a bunch of Reshoevn8r wipes. Yo, I'm about to look out for the whole squad. Oh man, I feel it. We got, yo, listen, shout out to Reshoevn8r. We got, bro, what are y'all, what's the vibe right now, man? What's the vibe? Bro, I have to take the box off the table. The box can't even be on the table no more. I had to take the whole box down, bro. Bruh, there is more. There is more. All right. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm way in the back. Hey, what's going on? Okay, let me get some of this out the way, okay? Let me move some of this out the way. I still don't even know what's in this. Let me open this up, but hold on. I gotta get some room, man. Okay. Bruh. Hold on. Do y'all see how much stuff was in that package? Oh my goodness, bruh. Shout out to Reshoevn8r. This looks crazy. Let me open this up because I haven't even opened this up yet. This is so much stuff. Is this what I think it is? This is my favorite. This is the Reshoevn8r water stain repellent. I know you guys be seeing the videos where you spray this on your shoes and you spray it with like coffee, chocolate, milk, honey, ketchup, mustard, and it just rolls off, leaving no residue at all. This is the stuff that does it. Shout out to Reshoevn8r. I'm not even gonna go over all of this stuff, man. Y'all already know what it is. I am giving this stuff away. As y'all can see, there is no way. Even if I wanted to keep all this, bro, I literally can't do it. I am giving this away, and I'm not gonna make it hard. I'm not gonna make this hard at all. I'm gonna make this so easy. If you want any of, subscribe to my channel. But also, I have a second channel. I plan on posting on that channel very, very soon. So subscribe to my second channel. That one will be linked down below in the description. Last but not least, follow me on Instagram. So that's it. Comment done under my most recent photo. So all you have to do, subscribe to both my YouTube channels, follow me on the gram, and comment done under this photo. And then once you do that, picking like the first however many people, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take too long. This is a lot of stuff, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video here because I'm not about to clean all of this stuff off, man. Reshoevn8r, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all so much for sending all this over. Y'all see this, man. This is crazy. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I will see y'all when I see y'all. Everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.